Welcome back to the channel. I'm Arthur and you're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today we're working on my Jeep. I'm going to install a set of another set of aftermarket LED headlights, 7-inch round LED headlights that will fit the 2007 to 2017 JKs. Today we're working on 2015, and I'll drop the information below, the link where you can purchase these at. They're very affordable. It's one of the kind of more popular Amazon LED headlights. A lot of great reviews. There's also, to be honest with you, there's some reviews where some people had some problems, but looks like the company handled them. But they're affordable and supposedly work really nice. So let's jump in. I'll show you what comes in the box, and then later in the video I'll show you how to wire these. There's several different adapters, or a couple of different adapters that come in the box, and I'll show you how to wire these headlights and to get them up and running and functional for you. We're not going to go into removing the grill and things like that. There's hundreds of videos on YouTube on how to remove the Jeep grill. It's really easy. So stick around and let's jump in it. Let me show you what's in the box and show you how to wire these things. What you get in the box, pretty decent looking instructions, removal and install. You get a little bit of a wiring diagram that shows the different adapters, and we'll go over that and how to wire these up. Tie straps for some wires. Here's a look at the headlight itself. It's got the nice halo ring, high low beam, and then this halo ring, not only is it like a daytime running light, but it's also going to plug into your turn signal. So this halo ring will actually be a part of your turn signal. I got one adapter plugged in right here, and here's the other adapter. So we'll cover these on how to wire these up, and but pretty nice quality looking light. Aluminum housing. The connectors look pretty good. I mean, overall it's pretty good looking quality. Again, you know, that's one of the most popular, or one of the popular Amazon headlights. So let's get these installed, get them wired, and show you some of the features and how they work. So now I'm going to try to walk you through on how to connect your LED headlights and show you how to use the two different adapters that come with these headlights. And once you get your old headlight removed, obviously this green connector here is your OEM headlight connector. This connector, or this adapter here that comes with your new headlights, it's got the blue, white, and black in it. Take this 3-pin connector here. We're just going to plug it in. Push a little red keeper back down, and that kind of locks that connector. Once we've made this connection, I have the headlight just laying here face down, and the green connector, 3-pin connector that's on the back of the headlight, is going to plug into the other end of that first adapter that you plugged into. Just match up the male and female spades. Make that connection. Double check, make sure nothing got pushed out the back. Now we're going to move on to this adapter here that came with the headlights. Now this one, this was going to allow you to have the blinker option in the headlights. So what we want to do, this is your connector for your parking lights or your turn signal light, and of course you had to unplug that to get the grill off. So what you're going to do is take this adapter here, this connector, this one here. We're going to make that connection, push a little red locking tab down, and now what that leaves is two of these that are they appear to be, or they are, identical. So what that's going to do is, you got these two connectors, you have another connector here that is coming off your headlight. Okay, so just select one of these, plug that in, little locking clip. This connector here, this final connector here, is going to go toward your turn signal or parking light, and I got the bulb here, I'll just demonstrate that. So you plug that in, little locking clip, and that is how you connect these. Just so everyone caught the process of making these connections, I'm just going to run through it one more time, a little bit wider view so you can see everything. OEM headlight connector. This adapter with the blue, white, and black leads plugs into the headlight with this green connector. This three-way adapter or connector. One end, the single end, plugs into your OEM parking light or turn signal light. One of the other ends plugs into this connection here, and then the other part of the two-way connection here plugs into your turn signal parking light. So one thing that I did read on some of the reviews, some people had an issue with the headlight kind of not sitting snug in the headlight bucket assembly. Once you put the beauty ring or the retaining ring on, the headlight would still kind of rattle around. So what I did is I already did trial and error on the other side, is I put a little piece of this rubber gasket material that's got adhesive on the back of it. Just picked it up at Home Depot. Frost King is the brand. I had tons of it laying around because I got a soft top Jeep. You usually got some kind of weather stripping laying around. And what this does is it helps takes up the gap between the retaining ring and the headlight assembly. Some of the reviews, people had a problem with this. Other reviews, people didn't have a problem with it. So I don't know if it's some manufacturing changes, some small changes in the headlight bucket on the Jeeps, or there's some manufacturing tolerances difference in the headlights. Just be aware of that you may have to put a little piece of rubber gasket material right here around the bottom, and then that makes the when you go to put the retaining ring on, a nice snug fit, and the headlight is solid in the housing. And if you're interested, here's the gasket material I used at the bottom of the headlights to tighten them up in the housing. It is just a quick video really covering the operation of the lights and how to wire up the adapters. I will try to capture a video at night. I'm going to have to go adjust these. I don't feel comfortable making a video on how to adjust headlights. I'm not an expert at that, but it's just something I have to play with and fine-tune them. It probably take me a couple times to do it, but anyways, make sure you check out the links below on where you can find these great looking headlights. And like I said, stay tuned. I'm going to try to grab a video how these things look in low light or even at night. And but anyways, the links are below. Drop a comment, make sure you like, subscribe, share the video, and thanks again for watching.